Hello, my name's Matty from Carlisle Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi approved used vehicle. Here we have an approved used Audi A1 Sportback Technik, finishing the very stylish Mythos Black. It's a 1 litre petrol sporting the 5-speed manual gearbox. It provides a lot of practicality, style and comfort throughout. Exterior features do include the LED daytime running lights, as well as the 15-inch 5-arm design alloys, really setting off the sporty exterior styling. Into the boot, you've got a generous amount of boot space, especially for the size of the vehicle. No trouble fitting and shoving all bags in. Moving to the interior, you've got the full cloth finish, very comfortable to be in no matter where you're sat. Very stylish dashboard, I'm sure you'll agree, as well as the front sports seats gripping you very nice as you drive. These are very comfortable to be in. Full electric windows, as well as electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors. Central locking and oil lighting controls. Onto your leather multifunctional steering wheel now. On the left hand side, you've got your display controls, on the right you've got your Bluetooth and audio, as well as having your cruise control located to behind the steering wheel. Moving on to your Audi virtual cockpit, you can access a huge range of multimedia features, all with a touch of a button. Does also add a personal touch to the vehicle, which again, it's always nice to have. Onto your central touchscreen display now. On here you've got access to your DAB radio, AM and FM, as well as all your vehicle features, can be configured however you like. Bluetooth connectivity, as well as having your Apple CarPlay on there as well. I'll insert a link to a video previously done on how you would set this up. It does allow features such as Spotify navigation, calls and text to be displayed on screen. So making our way down now, nice and easy to use air conditioning panel, 12-volt socket and 2 USB ports, volume controls and your 5-speed manual gearbox, a couple others in the centre there as well. This vehicle comes with a minimum of 12 months extended warranty and 12 months roadside assistance. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01228 371 516 or inquire online now.